Guys, meet Dr. William, just to welcome you. Yeah, exactly at the middle of the world.
You treat people, or it's about a doctor for education?
Doctor for education.
Oh, great.
So, I just welcome you guys for the Coriolis force. This is whereby you are supposed to see when you are at the middle of the world, the difference between North Pole and South Pole, depending on which way the water speaks.
Total again. We are Nanyuki of 6389
feet. Yeah, almost 2,000 meters.
Yes,
above sea level.
Okay, you can have your pictures. It's okay. You can have your pictures.
Meet Dr. William. Just to welcome you.
Yeah,
exactly at the middle of the world.
You treat people, or it's about a doctor for education?
Doctor for education.
Oh, great.
So, I just welcome you guys for the Coriolis force. This is whereby you are supposed to see when you are at the middle of the world, the difference between North Pole and South Pole, depending on which way the water speaks.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That is impressive. Yes, we can start.
So we need like 20 meters either side of the equator, whereby we can realize the
because now this is where the equator passes and we are at the middle of the one.
Yes.
0, 0.
Yes. Yeah. So we need to move away from the imaginary line.
From the imaginary line.
Yeah.
Yes.
To be either in northern or southern hemisphere. Come. Meters. Yes. So now we are 20 meters. The minimum distance.
The minimum distance.
Yeah,
away from the equator.
Away from the not exactly from the equator.
Yes,
from where the signboard is.
Oh yeah. But
towards north.
Yes, towards north.
Yeah, that is where you can mark the 20 meters.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you need to look at the behavior of the water. If you can see anything, tell me. Seeing is part of the demonstration, guys. What is it?
Something is spinning.
Which direction is that?
Yes, it's spinning clockwise.
Yeah. Then after we have seen all that, eventually let the water drain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then when the water is draining, it's a little bit dark.
Yeah.
But at least we can see the. Can you see at all?
Yes,
yes. We need to see the whirlpool. Make sure you can see the whirlpool and the shandle.
Yeah, you can see the.
Can you see the whirlpool?
Yes.
And the shandle at the same time.
Yes.
Then make use of the indicator.
Oh yeah, by the way, I can see it.
Yeah. Then make use of the indicator, so that because the water is plain or colorless, the indicator will make it a little bit visible for us to see.
Yes.
The direction. So that's how the earth is spinning when you are on northern hemisphere.
Yeah, I can see how this stuff is spinning.
Yes. Then we need to capture at the bottom. When the water is coming down, it's not quite smooth. There is that spin of the spirals.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah.
It's in a circular motion, kind of.
Circular motion, kind of.
Yes.
So the spirals are turning the same direction. The indicator was turning.
Oh,
see?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can see the indicator turning clockwise.
Yeah. And the farther you go either side, the stronger the effect.
Oh, I see.
Then the closer to the middle, the slower. Yeah. So we need now to walk back to the.
Yeah. So again, this is about 20 meters away.
20 meters away. Now we are back to the southern hemisphere, all the way from northern hemisphere.
That is northern hemisphere.
Close the center towards southern hemisphere.
Okay.
This is the point now. What you saw before,
Yes,
very, very tiny.
I can see it.
Yeah, can you put up the torch? Little height, just hide the torch. Yeah. Keep looking.
You haven't started releasing the water yet, right?
Yeah,
we
there
just
is
started
that.
now.
I wanted to emphasize the point of when the water is not draining,
Yes.
we cannot see much of it.
Yeah, by the way.
Now make use of the light so that we can see the shadow and the
Yeah,
whirlpool.
I can see.
Then, when the water is not draining,
You can see the shadow.
the shadow and the whirlpool disappears.
Yes.
Yeah. So keep it draining.
The shadow appears.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah,
and
there it
it's
is.
pointing.
No. The point has no
Yeah.
effect with that.
But I can see the shadow.
Yeah. Let's do the spirals first before we lose the water.
Yeah.
See?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah.
I can see the spiral. Yes.
So that pattern is turning opposite.
Oh, yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
And the spirals will match or do anything to do with the ocean currents.
Oh, yeah, by the way, yeah.
That's how the waves blow, depending on which hemisphere you are.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is now
this
anti-clockwise.
This is anti-clockwise.
Yeah,
Now it's
yeah.
turning anti-clockwise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the 20 meters from the signboard towards north and away,
Yes.
vice
It turns
versa,
clockwise.
clockwise,
Then the
vice
southern
versa,
hemisphere.
south anti-clockwise.
Yes.
So the space in between,
Yes.
that is the thickness of the light.
Wow.
That is the thickness of the imaginary light.
That is the thickness of the. That is almost
40 meters.
40 meters.
Yeah.
Because 2020.
Yeah.
It's almost 40 meters.
40 meters. So let's go back to the window now.
Right.
South.
Exactly at the middle.
Not really, so long as you are below the 40 meters.
Yes.
Uh,
Oh, the 20 meters.
Yeah, we can do anywhere
Yes.
below the 20 meters. Both hemispheres.
Oh, yeah, below the 20 meters.
Yeah, below the 20 meters. So at this particular point, we only expect a little bit disturbances of the wind.
Yes.
Remember, the wind is always in our universe, so we can't avoid it.
Sure.
Yeah. So the wind might
Go either way.
Yeah, either way. But there will be no circular motion.
Sure.
Yeah, like we have seen in north and south.
Southern.
Yeah. So when it is not draining,
Yeah.
and when it is draining, looks the same. Literally.
Yeah. The shadow is not there.
The shadow is not there.
Yeah.
There is no whirlpool.
Yes.
Yeah. When it
Yeah.
is draining and when it is draining,
Yeah.
then make use of the indicator. Then the white stop stops. No spiral.
Yeah, there's no spiral.
No spirals.
Yes.
Straight down.
Yeah, there's no spiral.
Yeah.
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 It's just draining smoothly, but there's no spiral.
No spiral.
And even the indicator
It's still.
is still. It's
Yeah.
not moving.
It's still.
Yeah.
Even the small particle.
Yes, it's still.
Doesn't
It's not
want to
going
turn
either clockwise or anti-clockwise.
All anti-clockwise. Yeah.
Oh, now I get the demonstration. So this side is
It's northern
our
hemisphere.
northern hemisphere.
Yeah.
And this side
It's southern
the
hemisphere.
southern hemisphere.
Yeah.
And then we are now at the middle.
At the middle.
And if the equator is the imaginary line is 40 meters.
40 meters.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean the thickness of the imaginary
thickness
line is 40 meters. Then the scientific phenomenon is called Coriolis force. Did I say that one before?
Yeah, you did actually.
So Coriolis is the name of the scientist who discovered,
Wow.
yeah, or what we have seen. So this is
Wow,
caused
wow.
by the magnetic rotation of the Earth and gravitational pull along the equator.
Wow, you mastered it.
Yeah. So welcome guys. Karibu.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
you.
Subscribe to Mtoto wa Kipogoni
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
And this is Nanyuki.
This is Nanyuki.
Altitude of 6389.
Feet, yeah, almost 2,000 meters
Yes.
above sea level.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Like that.